So I'm a wedding photographer here in New Jersey, and I photographed this couple, and now it's time to create their wedding album. They specifically sent me an email request where they wanted a face swap. So she likes her face better here, but he likes his face better here. So first step is I'm going to move his face into this frame because I like the way his shirt looks better on the left. Import these from Lightroom Classic. I'm going to right click. I selected them both. Go to edit in Photoshop. I'm going to edit with the copy of already edited images. Render using Lightroom. We have this image and this image. So I'm going to pull this image by taking off the lock on the layer. Right now I'm going to click, hit shift, move it on top and let go of shift and my mouse. Now it's on top. See, yeah. Now I want to align the layers. I'm going to go ahead and unlock it and to duplicate each layer. So to do that, I hit Control J for each layer and then turn off with the eye icon here, toggle layer off. So I keep the originals and on top I'm making the edits. Great. So next step is to align these layers. And I would want layer 0 with the better shirt to be on top. So right there. I'm going to select both. I'm going to align the layers. And to do that, we'll go to Edit, Auto Align. Perfect. I'll just click Auto Projection. Okay. So this is what's going to happen. Next, I'm going to fix the face, and then I'll fix everything else like the background and stuff. So since these are aligned, so let's say I turn this off. See how the face is basically in the same spot. Beautiful. Okay. Create a mask on that layer on top. Okay. I'm going to use my selection tool here. Object selection tool. See the face right there? It's already selecting it. Nose, face. I'm going to hit delete though. Delete. There we go. So Control D to deselect. All right. Now we're going to go here and click on this, the black. Make sure it's on black and go to your brush tool. And I'm going to make the flow 22, opacity 100 is good. And to make my brush a little bit bigger, I'm going to use the bracket to the right and brush them out here. All right, so if I remove, perfect. There you go. Control Shift E. So it combines the layers here. And I'm going to go ahead and fix what's happening around it. So I'm going to blend this generative fill. Just let it do its own thing. Up top, generative fill, just generate whatever it thinks. When a photo can just be simply so much better, having generative AI Photoshop skills can transform the quality of your work, your final product, and making your couples happy. So happy documenting weddings, guys. I hope this made it really easy for you. The last steps is just saving it. So this is basically it. So make sure you have your Lightroom Classic open. I'm going to go here to File, Save, because it'll automatically, this is exactly how I like my settings, automatically upload on Lightroom Classic. Those were the edits. Isn't that great? All right, so that's it, guys. And now I'm just going to save it and send it to my couple.